Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's June 12th, 2025, and it's about 11:30 in the morning and about 73 degrees. Almost wood chips over where I don't have them by the barn, and since it's cool enough today. I moved the trailer out of the way, put the chips down here too. Well, the pile's gone. I'm out of wood chips back here now. I spread a lot across the field here. I'm gonna rototill it in. Probably gonna water it first though, so it breaks down better, so all the dust isn't floating away. Now the bare spots in front of the barn and the lanes are now covered. Once we topple it down a little bit, I'll probably backblade it. And now it's moving too much. It's just after 1 and it's 80 degrees, so I'm glad I got this finished. Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.